Here are the details on my last 3 trades on my real life account, each with a risk of $1,000 executed on my real life account. With an initial deposit of $79,000, I have managed to generate a profit of $21,000. Additionally, I have already made a withdrawal of $81,000. Whether you are a seasoned trader, a beginner, or a full-time working professional, our trading strategies are effective. They can be applied across any time frame, from as short as 1 minute to as long as 1 week. First up, let's talk about effective Zoom sessions. In our community, we believe in the power of collaboration and learning from each other in real time. Ever heard of smart money concepts? Understanding how institutional investors operate can give you a significant edge in the market. Now, let's get down to the business with our top 5 key trading strategies. These are the proven methods with win rates above 80% when you follow the rules diligently. From trend following to reversal patterns, we have got you covered.